Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to this platform. This is Sichamba Jacob. All right, so I hope you can see we've got a question here. We've been given that if sine x is equal to over 5, find cos x. So you can see x is right over here, and to find the value of cos x, we need to understand some basic things right here. So you can see what we have here. This is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. So when you've got a right angled triangle, the side that is closer to the angle that you have, that is theta, and this is 90 degrees, it's called adjacent. And when you look at this angle, the side which is opposite, it's called opposite. Again, when you look at this 90 degrees, the 90 degrees that we have, the side which is opposite, it's called hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay, so this is what you need to know. Again, you need to understand what we call SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so SOHCAHTOA needs to be understood. And here, when we say sine theta, okay, are you able to see? Yeah. Sine theta. So this sine theta will be equal to, can you see this? This stands for what? Opposite. So it's opposite over hypotenuse, which is this one, from SOHCAHTOA. And then cos theta will be equal to, you can see this, that's cos, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tan theta will be equal to opposite over adjacent. Are you able to see that? So now, if you're able to see, this is sine x, and they've said it's 4 over 5. Okay? We know that sine is supposed to have opposite and what? Hypotenuse. So this 4 is our opposite, and 5 is what? Our hypotenuse. So we can say, okay, this is x, opposite must be here, and 4 is our opposite, if you're able to see. While 5 is our hypotenuse, it's supposed to be there. Now, in order for us to find cos x, we need adjacent. But when you look here, do we have adjacent? No, this is where the adjacent is. We don't have. So we're supposed to find the adjacent. And when we find adjacent, we'll come and write it here over hypotenuse, which is the 5. Okay? So that's it. Now, what method are we supposed to use when you look at this right angle triangle in order for us to find the adjacent? This is where we need to use the idea of Pythagoras Theorem. Have you ever come across the word Pythagoras Theorem? Yeah. Yes, so the formula for Pythagoras Theorem will be like this. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Okay? So now, the C, this is the key. The C is the hypotenuse, the longest distance is always your C. So this is our C. And this can be our A. If this is our A, this will be our B. Are you able to see? If this is our B, then this will be our what? A. So you must know that C is the key, your hypotenuse. Now when you look at this question, which one is missing? Do you have the C? Yes, we have. It's a 5 squared, which is equal to our A can be this one. It's okay. Opposite. 4 squared plus B squared. Okay? We can solve. What is 5 squared? 25, which is equal to 16 plus B squared. 25 minus 16 is equal to B squared. Okay? So I'm running out of space. So from this point, it will be 9 equal to b squared, because 25 minus 16 will give us a 9. We can now find the square root of b squared. So b squared, and this, you know why I've put a square root? It's because we want to cancel the power 2. What's the square root of 9? It's a 3, which is equal to a b. We found the b, it's what? It's a 3. Are we following? Yes. So now we can say cos x, we know that it's supposed to be adjacent over hypotenuse. So here we can simply say, what is our adjacent? It's a 3 over our hypotenuse. It's a 5. No, 5. And this is our answer.